Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. You are highly welcome. I want to thank all my new and my old subscribers. Welcome to the house. I love you all. Guys, today I have pineapple and ginger and lemon drink. This drink help men so much. If you are 22nd man, it will help you. It will make you to last longer in bed. And e help man bendo to stand gege. You know wetin be bendo? You know now that thing wey dey under na im be the bendo wey dey talk. E help bendo to work very well, and e help bendo to stand gege 247, no shaking. When you finish with your missus, he go hold you say, hubby, you are too much. So guys, you need to check out this drink. So follow me now. I will show you how to prepare it. Very simple. Okay, this is the fruits we are going to use to prepare it, which is ginger, pineapple already washed and cut, and my lemon juice. So guys, we're going to start blending them now. After blending it, that's when I'll add the lemon on it. So guys, always prepare this juice for hubby. It helps them a lot. It helps their bendo to be strong, very strong. You know, not we want a strong bendo. We don't want one that will enter chamber. We go dey look for the thing that enter chamber. It makes them long and it makes the bendo big. And you come to the other side. If it's 22nd man, it helps that man to stay up to 1 hour or 1 hour plus on the bed. Yes, it's very good. It helps them a lot. So I beg, make una always prepare this for our hubby them, okay? And hubby, you can do it by yourself. If madam is busy, just make it, prepare it by yourself and drink it. It's very good. Life na once, make we enjoy ourselves. Wabu popo. Don't go die in silence too. Free. Look after hubby. Hubby look after madam. When the bendo is strong, madam will enjoy, hubby will enjoy. When you finish, madam will bless you, pray for you. You know, I beg, make we enjoy ourselves with this lovely French juice, okay? So I will see you guys after blending the juice, okay guys? So guys, I've finished blending the juice, so I'm adding the lemon juice now, and I'm going to mix them together. After mixing them together, I'm going to turn it into jug and put it away and keep it in the fridge and leave it. When Aubrey come back, this night will be very sweet. I can't wait. And at Sabi, I go enjoy myself for life now once. I can't wait for Hubby to come back. Short, I will go make nice pepper fish that he will use to take the drink, so that after that we'll go to the chamber and relax. Now I know. So you can see how the drink, see how the juice looks like. Very fresh, healthy. Look at it. Can you see it? Guys, I don't talk my own finish. If you go dey pretend, you go dey die silent. Now you sabi. You better no pretend though. Go look after Hubby, so that you go enjoy yourself. No go complain, say wetin dey do this man, but you know they give am the correct thing. This is very nice home remedy, no chemical on it. So guys, this is end of the video. If you like the video, please don't forget to give me thumbs up. If you never subscribe to me, what are you waiting for? Please subscribe, okay? And share is allowed in this house. Thank you guys, love you all, and I will see you guys in my next video. Remain blessed, okay guys? Bye bye.